In this video, I'll teach you how to make New Year's resolutions. First of all, what is a New Year's resolution? A New Year's resolution is a promise you make to yourself to do something better or try something new in the new year. Here are some New Year's resolution examples. I will try to keep my room tidy. I want to learn to play the piano. I'll read more books. Let's start with step 1. Start with a positive phrase. For example, this year I want to. My goal is to. I will try to. I promise to. Here are some more examples. This year, I want to learn French. Now let's look at step 2. Think of things you want to do better or things you want to try. Your New Year's resolutions should be things you actually can do. Try to make them things that are possible. For example, maybe you want to learn a new instrument. Or maybe you want to study more. Maybe you want to get better at a sport like soccer. My goal is to practice playing the guitar 3 times a week. I want to spend more time outside in nature. Finally, let's look at step 3. Write down your resolutions and share them with someone you trust. It's helpful when a friend or family member knows the things you want to do in the new year. They can help you achieve your goals. Put your resolutions somewhere special. So here are some fun ideas of where you can put your New Year's resolutions. You could make a poster. You can put your New Year's resolutions on the poster and draw pictures. And this is something you can put on your wall. You could also create a resolution frame. Instead of putting a picture in a picture frame, you can put your New Year's resolutions. You can also make a jar of resolutions. You can take an old jar and fill it with little pieces of paper that have your resolutions. And if you need a reminder, you can pull it out of the jar. These are all fun ways to practice making New Year's resolutions and try to keep them. I hope you guys liked this video and let me know what your New Year's resolutions are in the comment section. Happy New Year!